Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test that you can find on the right edge of the smartphone. It's right here. We will check how fast it works and if it is reliable for sure. So let's try. I will link this finger, so just take a look. There we go. Okay, so from the beginning I can tell you that it's not working that fast that I thought about that. I mean, I tested yesterday the sensor from Poco X3 Pro and there was definitely faster sensor. Here it looks like it's 1 second delay after unlock the screen. But of course in the other video I will show you an example how it looks. But the good point is that they recognize my fingerprint every time. So it's not the fastest fingerprint that you can use on the smartphone, but it's reliable, so it's really good. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.